Hello everyone, I am Shadasharav and welcome to Sudha Learning Hub. Today's session we are going to learn the most important Java interview questions. The first one is why runnable interface is used in Java. Runnable interface is used in Java for implementing multi-threaded applications. Java.lang.runnable interface is implemented by a class to support a multi-threading. The runnable interface is used in a Java for implementing multi-threaded applications. Java.lang.runnable interface is implemented by a class to support multi-threading. The next question is multi-threading, how can we ensure that a resource is not used by multiple threads simultaneously? In multi-threading, how can we ensure that resources is not used by multiple threads simultaneously? In the multi-threading, access to the resources which are shared among the multiple threads can be controlled by using the concept of synchronization. Using the synchronized keyword, we can ensure that only one thread can be used shared resources at the time and other can get control of the resources only once. It has become say free from other one using it. By using the synchronized keyword, we ensure that resources is not used by multiple threads simultaneously. The next question is describes the different states of threads. The threads in Java can be either the following states. The first one is ready state. When a thread is created, it is a ready state. Running state. A thread is currently being executed in the running state. Waiting state. A thread is waiting for another thread to free certain resources is in waiting state. Dead state. A thread which has gone dead after executing the dead state. There are the four different states in the thread. First one is new state, and second one is runnable state, and third one is waiting or sleeping or blocking state, and fourth one is running state, and fifth one is dead state. The next question is, can a dead thread be started again? In Java, a thread which is in a dead state cannot be started again. There is no way to restart the dead state, dead thread. There is no chance to start the dead threads. The next question is, in Java, a thread which is in dead state cannot be started again. There is no way to restart the threads. Sorry. The next question is, in Java thread programming, which method is must implemented for all the threads? The run method of runnable interface that must be implemented by all threads. A run method runnable interface that must be implemented by all the threads. The next question is, I want to control the database connections in my program and want to that only one thread must be able to mark the database connections at the time. How can I implement the logic? The question is, I want to control the database connections in my program and want that want that only one thread should be able to make a database connections at the time. How can I implement this logic? This can be implemented by using of the concept of synchronization. Database Database related code can be placed in the method which has a synchronized keyword so that only one thread can be accessed at a time. The next question is, describe the synchronization with respect to the multi-threading. With respect to the multi-threading, synchronization is the capability to control the access of multiple threads to share the resources. Without synchronization, it is possible for one thread to modify a shared variables while another thread is in the process of using or updating the same shared variables. This is usually leads to significant errors. With respect to the multithreading, synchronization is the capability to control the access of multiple threads to share the resources. Without synchronization, it is possible for one thread is modify a shared variables while another thread is in the process of using or updating the same shared variable. This is usually leads the significant errors. The next question is, when a thread is created and started, what is its initial state? A thread is in the ready state after it has been created and started. When a thread is created and started, what is its initial state? A thread is in the ready state after it has been created and started. The next question is, what method must be implemented by all the threads? All tasks must be implemented the run method, whether they are a subclass of thread or implementing the runnable interface. The next question is, what are synchronized methods and synchronized statements? Synchronized methods are the methods that are usually controlled access to an object. A thread only executes a synchronized methods after it has acquired the lock for the methods, objects, or classes. Synchronized statements are similar to synchronized methods. A synchronized statements can only be executed after the thread has acquired the lock for an object or class referenced in the synchronized statements. A synchronized methods are the methods that are usually to control access to an object. A thread only executes the synchronized methods after it has acquired the lock for a method, object, or class. A synchronized statements are similar to synchronized methods. A synchronized statement can only be executed after the thread has acquired the lock for the object or class referenced in the synchronized statements.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this lesson helpful to you. Keep watching our lessons. Keep writing to us. Do not forget subscribe our channel Learning Hub because we have many sessions that would help you to develop our skills, and I will be back soon. Till then, you take care. Bye bye.